Is this the best kept secret at Animal Kingdom Lodge?
Princess and the Bear here. We're at Animal Kingdom Lodge today because it's time to do some secrets. Because remember, your number one choice in foodie infotainment. If there's something that hasn't been discovered, we're going to discover it. So we're headed to
Cape Town Lounge.
Yes. So remember, she's vegan. I'm not. I'm thirsty. Let's go get a watering hole.
I got the Baobab 785. It is a gin drink with Baobab in it. I'm feeling the Baobab. This is really nice. This is very ginny, but it's got like a nice little bubbly to kind of counteract it. I'm into it. I'm going to give it a 4 out of 5 gin. This is a good gin drink.
The Baobab that never was, the Baobab that never grow, like on the Kilimanjaro Safari. There is a real Baobab tree here. Maybe you'll see one in this video. Little wings of a lemon wedge. Gives me vibes of like the winged birds that are on the ceiling of Jiko. And if you've been in Jiko, which is right next to Cape Town Lounge, and never looked up, you're doing yourself a disservice. I'd tip this on the Savannah. 4.75 out of 5 claws. It's not a smoke turkey replacement. It's good. It's really good. But I don't know if I could drink that like every day, all day at the parks or the resorts. Jungle Punch. Fruit, alcohol, pineapple, and vanilla infused with a little bit of chipotle as well. It smells wonderful. It smells like a Jungle Punch. Not like the Jungle Punch we drink on the islands, but Jungle Punch nonetheless. Oh, that's dangerous. That's good. Far too sweet to be a regular drink, but I would inject this into my veins. If not for the obvious health implications of a decision like that. That's a 5 out of 5 claws. It's on the Bear Necessities list. Return of the wonderful giraffe bread. You have the giraffe design on the top. Not vegan, so none for the princess, but look, warm, pulls apart, fresh, so tasty. Honestly, if they sold this to go, I would just come here when I'm staying here, buy this, and go back to my room and be perfectly happy. Watch the sunset with some giraffes and some giraffe bread. One of the few restaurants where I'll happily fill up on bread before my meal and not feel bad. 5 out of 5 claws.
I got this beautiful salad, which is different from the previous salad, and the only option that I didn't get the last time we came to Jiko, like a couple of weeks ago. And I'm glad that I didn't get it last time because it was different, and now it has changed, and I'm here for it. Cheers to Baobab vinaigrette. Wow, my mouth just went on a journey, and part of that journey took me home to LA. Like, I don't know how I got in and out, like vegan in and out from this, but I did. It was like a combination of the citrusy Baobab with the lettuce and the tomato and everything in here. It's like comfort food to the nth degree, and it's taking me home. It's taking me to a very special place. I didn't think I was going to be obsessed with a salad, but now I am. This toss is my salad. I'm going to brag to everyone about this salad.
This is a family channel.
But I love it. So 5 out of 5 Princess Cities item. Get your salad tossed at Jiko or Cape Town Lounge. Preferably here if you don't have a dining reservation.
I love the sort of like African thicket we got going on here. All the different colors and the greens, the pomegranate seeds and the pumpkin spice. Like, there's a lot going on in this salad, but like it all looks like it belongs together. Sort of like a circle of life. It's a real big punch of citrus, but bright. Make sure you don't have any cuts in your mouth when you eat that. I bit my tongue a couple days ago. I definitely hurt a bit. With the kick and the spice of the salad, there's like a broad range of flavors. This is both earthy, but then bright and citrusy. It feels like taking in of the earth. Like taking a bite out of the savannah, taking a bite out of the continent. but in like all the best way. Both culture and flavor in one dish. And honestly, if you're coming here for drinks and just want something small, I think this is the perfect like pairing with drinks at the lounge. I would give that 4.25 out of 5 claws. If not for the burn in my mouth, which is obviously my own fault for biting my tongue, it might be a little bit higher. We have the return in spirit of the duck pizza. If you remember correctly, I had a duck pizza at California Grill for their 50th menu, which everybody bemoaned at how could you put pizza on a prefix menu. But that pizza was delicious. Now this is duck confit and Honey-Raisin on a pizza. Even though it's a pizza, it's still really light. It's given that nice savory that you get from duck, but then the honey and the raisin sort of like sweeten it up, so it's not like overly rich, but still like I'm gonna eat this whole pizza in one sitting type deal. But it's a manageable portion, and I'll say I like it. I know that some people look like raisins on pizza, but I'm all here for it. 4.5 out of 5 claws.
The prickly pear mule, which has got a lot of good little things in it, including Baobab. Oh yeah, definitely mulelicious. It's not pear in your face because I'm not a pear fan and I like this. It's not too much of anything. It's a nice little smooth vodka. It's just mostly ginger beer, and I'm okay with that. I'm gonna give it a 3 out of 5 mules. It is mulelicious.
The color of this drink combined with the copper mug is given Black Panther heart-shaped herb. I missed that drink they had here for Wakanda Forever, and the little, even the floating lotus leaf, which we have at home in a drawer somewhere. It smells like ginger beer. I mean, it's a mule. It should. Just try to make prickly pear drinks at home, like a sugar-free version. No, I actually don't mind that. I find it quite refreshing. It's not as much ginger as I thought. Like, it's still ginger forward, but I mean, it's a mule. There's gonna be a lot of ginger in there, but it's not like raw ginger in my tongue, which some of these mules have been. Even here at this resort, the Pull Bar ginger mules are. This, I'm giving 4 out of 5 claws. Refreshing. And my fingers are cold now. More of the little touches. This is the Kanu Old Fashioned. It's Knob Creek whiskey with some orange bitters and some Madagascar vanilla mix in here. It smells wonderful and smooth. Makes you want to fly like an eagle into the sea. That's good. Got a little bite to it. I like that. It's like smooth, but not like burning. But still got like a bite. Fire on my chest. I like it. And the Great Hallowed Halls, the Old Fashions, it's probably not in the top 3. Maybe the top 5. I gave it 4 out of 5 claws. It's always a good visit to Cape Town.
Yes, this is our second time going to Cape Town as like a standalone video. We've come here many times outside of that, but we just wanted to show you this lounge because it has reopened. They don't have wine flights like they used to have, but they will have those soon, so we definitely need to come back for those. They used to have their own unique menu. Right now they're just doing the Jiko menu, so that was nice.
So you get the whole menu at
new
the lounge.
Stuff.
Which is odd.
Yeah, but hopefully in the future they get their own unique menu like they used to have in the past.
But I want to know what you guys think. Have you ever considered stopping in at Cape Town Lounge instead of going the full Jiko experience? Let us know in the comments below. Now, if you believe there's other King's lounges, other lounges we need to visit, of course the comments will always be the place to find us. Hit that notification bell if you want to see other videos like this, and
we have new videos 5 days a week: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Saturday.
We'll see you soon.
Be sure to subscribe and like this video. And if you don't comment, Bear won't let me go to any more lounges. And we've been to all the lounges, but we love the lounges and we want to go to more lounges.
Maybe I'll let her go to more lounges, but no shopping after the lounges.
What? Okay, so maybe I spent $180 at the store here, but we're not talking about that.
No, I guess we're not. You heard the girl.